Hi, my amazing, beautiful friends. Today is day 5 of our Myrtle Beach vacation and it's going really well. We have been blessed with perfect, warm, hot weather. Not too hot, but I mean, hot enough. I mean, yeah, it's hot, but beautiful weather anyway. This is, what did I say this was? Day 5, right? Oh Lord, now I'm rethinking myself here. It's day 5. So I'm starting the morning. Me and my husband sat out on the balcony. Excuse me, coffee burps. And we've had our coffee and had some coffee cake this morning for breakfast. And we're just out here. We're talking and watching the waves. I think him and my son are going to go on a run on the beach this morning while I get ready and do a few things up here. And then we're gonna go eat at the Wicked Tuna, which was requested by my son. He loves that place. So we wanted to go again this year. And we, of course, try to accommodate him and make sure he gets to do some of the things that he wants to do. Yesterday's adventures were fun, which I'm sure if you watched yesterday's video, you should have found out what those were. And then we're gonna call it a beach day. We're gonna try to we're going down at 12:30 to the Wicked Tuna to eat lunch, and then we're going to come back and get into our bathing suits and hopefully be able to get a chair, a couple chairs and an umbrella, and spend the day on the beach. That's our plan so far. Plans can always change. Just remember that. All right, guys. We'll see what happens. It's a beautiful morning in Myrtle Beach. I always keep saying that. Myrtle Beach. Today's the day. Beach day. Whoop. I dropped the phone. It's beach day and I am so happy we got a beach day out here. We rented an umbrella and some chairs and we're just I cannot believe how nice it is to sit here and feel that breeze coming off the ocean and listening to the ocean waves. Really, I could probably take a nap, but I'm not gonna do that. But I love it. It's been gorgeous. We've been down in the water, in that nice salty ocean water. I found a few shells. We've talked and laughed, and we're just having a great time. I'm really happy that we got to do this. Something that my family just really needed. We needed to get away and just be, just live, not worrying about everyday stuff. I'm sure, you know, lots of families feel that way. Yeah. Yep. I don't have a lot of words to say. I'm just enjoying this so very much. So I'm going to switch over to my GoPro. It's not really a GoPro. It's a generic version that I picked up somewhere. Still works, but I am going to test it for the first time in the water. So we'll see how that works. Yeah, if I get any good footage out of it, I will put it, of course, insert it into the vlog.
Look at that. That's beach view out here. Looks like the storm might be coming, but the lifeguard says we'll go more inland, but just have to try it out and see what it looks like. The view of the hotel we're staying in, Island Vista Resort. Pretty nice. Good for this time. In the sand joking around. Alrighty then. This is right here, so it's posted. Will be by Alicia. Alrighty then. There's all the way down there in that part of the beach. Way down there. Way down there. Let me turn around. Go this way. We go more towards the town there. Alrighty then. Catch you later. Alrighty then. I'm back again on Alicia's phone. They're going out there to wash off all the sand. They're heading out to the depths of the ocean. Where you all it is Joe. Just joking. They're not going to that deep. It's actually pretty shallow out there. Pretty nice. There's the water. It looks like it is going to rain. I don't think it's going to storm, but like I said before, I think it's going more inland. There they are. There they are. Watch out! It's the shark coming before you. Actually, there are dangerous animals out in the ocean, but I think we'll be alright this time. Alrighty then. Gotta get off here. And we're back again on the Myrtle Beach website. It's a joke. Look at all these shells. And We got a pile of shells way down here in the depths. Little bitty shells. Oh man, there's lots of them. We came out here the other night and there's literally no shells out here. They must have just got sucked in here. It's getting kind of windy out there, but like I said, it seems like it's going to be all right. The sky here, and you move down, the sky there looks pretty clear, and you look inland more over the hotel. It looks like it's going to rain over there. There's a hotel around circle down there, and there is a little bit of cloudiness. And we're back to the shells again. Alrighty then.
Okay, beach day is over. We had a great time though. We spent a couple hours, well, I don't know, we spent a while out there. And then we decided to go swim in the pools for a little bit. That was tons of fun. There are 2 outdoor pools here, and like everybody was in the one pool and nobody was in the other one. So we went and got in the other and had a whole entire pool to ourselves. Hello. It was great. And then we came upstairs. I took a shower real quick and put some dinner in the oven. We are having one of my favorite vacation meals. I do not buy these at home. I think I have told you guys about these before, but I like the frozen lasagnas and the frozen garlic bread. They're so good. And so when we are on vacation, I allow myself to have those. Yeah, so that's what we're having tonight. We're just waiting for that to cook. And then we rented another movie. This hotel has free DVDs. They have a DVD player in the living rooms of, I'm pretty sure, all the rooms. And they have free DVDs. And so we have really been taking advantage of that in the evenings. We've been coming home from whatever we've been doing and watching a movie together, and it's been really nice. This has definitely been a very nice, fun vacation. Yeah, it's been fun. It's been nice. So we're not really going to do a whole lot more today. Like I said, we're going to eat dinner and watch a movie. It's kind of stormy. It's not really rainy right here right now. It's been kind of raining off and on for about an hour. But there are some storms going on. We're supposed to get some storms later tonight. So I don't know, we'll see. But anyway, that's basically what's happening. So I'm going to sign this video off. So I'll see you next time. Day 6 is tomorrow. So yeah, so don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Yeah, you don't want to turn on the bell notification. You don't want to miss another one of our Myrtle Beach vacation days. All right, guys, see you later. Bye.